Hi everyone. My name is Daniel Lefcourt. I'm a professor at the Rhode Island School of Design, and I teach an Introductory to Design course where we cover the topic of generative art. Um, I've created this set of Photoshop actions that allow you to use actions to create generative art. And what that means basically is that we're using randomization to create random shapes, random size rectangles, random grids, in order to add a degree of unpredictability to your designs or artworks. And here's kind of a randomized fragmentary shape. Photoshop actions are not designed for creating artwork. They are meant really as a production tool for publishers, either on the web or for print, to process batches of images. But through some kind of creative use of them, you're able to do all kinds of things, including generate random colors, random shapes, random progressions of designs, random arrays. You're even able to create kind of simulations of designs growing and natural phenomena like seashells and this kind of thing. You're able to create fractals with some very simple creative use of actions, all kinds of designs that are responsive to shapes that you may create. In this set of actions, we use randomized brushes in Photoshop, and we're even able to use actions to generate randomized animations and generative animations. So I encourage you to browse through this website, look at all of the different things you can actually do with actions. And the amazing thing is you don't have to write any code to do any of these things. Here's a kind of mold growth simulation. And these actions demonstrate how you can download these on the download page. Right here, it'll just download immediately. They're free. It's just a kind of fun open source project. What you'll get is a set of ATN files, and then which are the actions, which we're going to load in, and then a set of custom brushes that use some of the actions to create designs. So in the next video, we will get started.